Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students, boys and girls. Here we today discuss inverse of a matrix. Multiplicative inverse of a matrix, simply inverse of a matrix. Or how to find inverse of a matrix. Now we find and let a matrix A is equal to 4 minus 3, 6 minus 2. A inverse multiplicative inverse of A is here. A inverse is equal to adjoint of a matrix A over determinant of a matrix. That is, adjoint of A is over a determinant. Now A is equal to 4 minus 3, 6 minus 2. Adjoint of A is equal to interchange the place of 4 and minus 2 and sign of minus 3 and 6, that are minus 2, 3, minus 6, 4. It is the adjoint of A. Now determinant of A is equal to 4 minus 3, 6 minus 2. Multiply 4 with minus 2 and minus 3 with 6. Formula is AD minus BC. 4 into minus 2 minus 3 into 6, that is equal to minus 8 plus 18 and equal to 10. Now A inverse is equal to minus 2, 3, minus 6, 4 adjoint over determinant, that is 10. Again meet you with a new lecture. Allah Hafiz.